today we have some lighter activities planned because our escapades yesterday took 9 hours, but today we are
going to take a Japanese cooking class where we're going to do traditional ramen and gyoza, and then we're going to follow that up with a Japanese ring making workshop.
we're feeling it after yesterday too. This is the first time I've seen this one.
One station that has it.
It's like a whole face recognition thing. That's really cool.
Boo Boo Park. Boo Boo.
I mean, it's just a parking structure, but the Boo Boo Park. I love it. Is that it? Are you sure?
No.
Okay.
Hi. I'm looking for a cooking class.
That way, and then that way. Okay.
over the street? Okay.
Already got to go
Arigatou
second.
gozaimasu.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Never trust Google Maps. But that gentleman was very helpful. We just walked into somebody's house and...
No, that was like a book cafe.
Oh,
It was on the map.
it felt like somebody's house. That's okay.
I just saw your message.
Oh. Is it just us or is there somebody else coming?
It's only you.
Oh, okay. All right, awesome.
So maybe Jill, you can do the pork.
We've got our gyoza mixture
Oh, it
going.
smells so good. Holy smokes. Alright, what do you think?
Gyoza wrapped. Jill's finishing hers.
すごい, you guys are super great.
All right.
Yay! すごいすごい.
Pretty.
Yeah.
They're both very, very...
We got our ramen broth. We have our ramen noodle water coming up here.
Yes.
And our gyoza is
Yeah.
steaming and cooking.
Yeah, I will open.
Oh,
Maybe.
so pretty. Excitement level.
For the eating part?
Yes.
A 10. I have never made this, so I'm excited to eat my creation.
Yes. Do that.
Yeah.
So you
in
kind
the
of...
mouth, you mix it. Yes, 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 yes. Good try. I like it. Yay, we did it.
It was so fun. It was perfect. I get the easy part.
Right?
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
That was a great experience.
That
I
was
really
so
liked
good.
it. And eating your own food was a great perk as well.
Yes, and it's just very satisfying to know that you created that. You created it, and it was delightful.
And then it was gone in less than 2 minutes after you finished making
She
it.
even laughs at us because we were telling her we eat so fast. And she came back, she's like, it's all empty. Yep, we told you, we eat fast. Oh, one turn.
うんぐらいがいいと。
Ichi turn. Ichi turn.
うん、それぐらいがナイスです。いいです、いいです。
The precision. The focus.
Someone you calling. So that was interesting. We have our rings on. Wasn't exactly the experience we thought we were getting into, but it went quickly.
We expected that to take about 90 minutes, and we were done in about 20.
What in the world do we have here?
Take down the planes!
Oh, I don't know where we are, but we found this old retro arcade that has games from like 1960s, 1970s all over the place. We have played a few of them, but I can't figure them out.
Come on, Cody.
The accuracy is not there on this thing.
You got 35 points. 36. killing it. Oh.
Retro, man.
How do we feel about that one?
I think that's interesting.
Is it a poop maker? Looks like it. Rah, for this, you will pay a terrible price.
Oh, okay, okay. Now it's gonna go here, it's gonna go into this next one. Oh, dang it.
Game over?
Game over. Thus concludes our time in Japan. Sad face. I don't really think I want to leave. Everything here just makes me always want to stay. I love it here, but we gotta head back to the cruise. It's 12 days across the Pacific. We're ending in LA. We have a brief break. We're probably gonna take some time during this cruise to just recharge, get into a routine, maybe make a mid-cruise video, I'm not sure. But we have a couple more cruises coming up after this. We're excited for those.
After this, other than a ship, the next thing that we have to do is drive. We have to drive a car.
I feel like so much work. When there's food involved, Jill always has a little extra pep in her step.
I have my healthy custom order dinner pre-ordered, and we have a set time for dinner. So we have to be there